Hello guys, let's go to the first video. Okay, and thank you for joining with me in this development and this idea and what else. Okay, let's explain first the app idea. The app idea is basically the study app with AI. Is the app where you can use AI tools to improve your student skills, to learn more fast, to learn more easily, and whatever. Okay, my idea is develop all this app with you guys, so join with me and follow me in this adventure. I will build this app from the start with you, so follow me. Okay, this is the app design. I just developed the first page. In this next video I will developing a more page. Okay, sorry for my bad English. I trying to improve these skills, so join with me in this journey. Okay, so let's go. From this app I chose develop with Expo, with new Expo SDK, and using TypeScript and everything that we need. Okay, so let's start. First, you have to create an Expo app. So let's open the terminal. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, I'm in my page, so I join to the desktop. And you go to the desktop and you go to YouTube folder, and I will create here our app. So let's call Study App. And let's wait this installation. It's complete. So when the installation is running, let me explain to you how this app will work, how these videos will work. Okay, my idea is develop our app with your help. So I will provide this design file, I will provide this Notion file, and you can comment, you can give me ideas, you can give me a tips or whatever you want. You can give me from me in comments of this video, in this Figma file, in this Notion file, or you can send me a message on my LinkedIn. So I hope that I can help you and you help me to build this app. Okay, this app will be a real app with real features and everything. So let's go to our app. Okay, now let's go to Study App and let's open on my editor. I like to use Cursor to my applications, but you can use any editor that you want. Okay, so let's start this app and write and open on my simulator. I will use iOS simulator, but If you is not on the Mac, you can use Android Simulator or your physical device, okay? That is not a problem. And if you need any help to configure your setup and other things, you can send me a message on LinkedIn, okay? I'm here to help you. Okay, so we have here our app running, and let's start building our app. Okay, first I will create our src folder to contain some things, and let's first clear our app. We don't need it. You just need let's start with auth folder, and let's start with our layout folder. For this app I will use Expo Halter, because I want to use the more latest SDK as possible about Expo. Okay, so let's export default or of layout, and this have to be a function of layout, and these have to return a stack from Expo Halter. And let's create an index file, export default function. I will call it signing in, and let's return a view from React Native, and let's return just a simple text from React Native, hello world, and let's create a stack.screen, call it index, and let's see in our app we have to update the root layout, and you use elf here. This layout just this layout just work like Next.js on web. Expo Halter works like Next.js on web. Okay, so we can use these things, and this I don't know how can I call it, but it's just it's just a way to make layouts and routers and whatever. Okay, let's update our app. Okay, and I don't have tabs here, and why it's not updating, I don't know. I will just restart the app. And okay, I don't have tabs more. just it. Okay, now we have our index and our layout file, and it's working. Just for style, just for better view, I will create our style here. I don't will use a style library like Native Wind or Style Components, because I wanna build this app more pure as possible. Okay, so I will use Style Sheet for it. Okay, let's define our container and align items. No, align items center and justify content center. Okay, now I can use the style variable, and good. I have our first page. Okay, so first I think we have to create our global style and our global theme. So I will create it using folder styles and on file called theme.ts. Okay, so export const theme. Here in this variable we provide all of the colors, fonts, and whatever we want. Okay, so let's first create colors, and I will have a color called primary. That will be this color, this orange or yellow color. I don't know how to say this color in English, but let's go. And for title we can use this color, and for text you can use this color. Okay, good, so good. And now we have to define our fonts. Okay, you have to load our fonts here. Okay, so let's first we use Expo font for it. So let's search here how it works. We have a export font yet on our project. So let's search which font we use. Okay, we use this FimeGen. I don't know how to pronounce this word, but we use this font, and this font is on Google Fonts, and it's called FimeGen. I don't know. Let me see how to pronounce this word.
FimeGen.
Okay. It's okay. So let's get this font. Let's download this font, and let's here we need all these fonts. Okay, so let's go to our assets, our fonts, and let's paste here all these fonts. We use space mono, so let's exclude it, and let's copy how it work on on Expo font. So okay, we don't need it, you don't need it, you don't need it. And let's load our fonts here. So Familjen Grotesque, first regular. I will provide all these fonts for you, okay? So you just need copy this file in the Notion page, because I will provide to you. And it's okay, I don't have extra light and I don't have light. Okay, it's it. I don't will use italic. I don't will use this. I don't will use this italic, and I don't will use it. Okay, good, so good. Let's reload our app just to see if it works. We have an error here. It's because the assets folder is here. Let's see. Okay, it's okay. One tip for you: when you develop a React Native and you using your terminal inside your IDE, you can just push the CK and you will clear your terminal. It's simple, but it's helpful. Okay, so now let's define the fonts. Okay, first I think you can define the title font, and in the title font we use semi-bold. So Familjen Grotesque semi-bold. Okay, I don't use the autocomplete of the cursor because I wanna create everything hands-on. Okay, so for the text I will use regular, so Familjen Grotesque regular. And for the label we use medium, so I will define label, use medium, so Familjen Grotesque medium. And we use bold for some subtitles, so Familjen Grotesque bold. Okay, let's see if it's working. Here, let's define title, font family. I think you can use stem.fonts.title. Let me see. And now you can define styles.title. It's working. Let me define the font size more big. I think 14 it's okay. Yeah, it's working, it's good. So let's continue. Let's use this logo for our app. So it's just export here. You can click and export, and let's export like PNG. Let's go to our assets. Let's find here and let's rename to logo.png. Now we can use image from React Native, and you can import here, import logo from dot assets dot image dot logo dot png. Okay, and for we can define source logo. Let's see if it's working. It's working. This is it's wrong because we have to define the types, the custom types here. So let's define the folder types, custom.d.ts, and we have to define the models on TS TypeScript, so you just have to copy and paste it. Okay, and let's go to our page. It's working, and in our app it's working. Okay, so let's try it, and let's define title container. So let's create title container to contain our logo and our title and subtitle. Okay, so we can define margin top 100 maybe, and you can define align items center. Let's create a view here, and let's define the styles.title container. Okay, so it's okay, and I think you can maybe our big margin top. I think it's good here. So let's create this subtitle because we have this subtitle here. Okay, let's create this subtitle. I will copy this text, and let's define the subtitle style. Okay, so font family, we have to use bold. Okay, so last font family them.fonts.bold. Okay, for colors we use this color that we define like a primary color, and let's see how it's working. Styles.subtitle. Okay, so let's define a font size more big, something like 20. It's good. Okay, it's good. And let's continue. Now we have this login title, and let's build it. Let's create a text login. Okay, and let's login title font family. Let me see, we use medium, so them.fonts.label, I think. Label, okay, it's label. I will change this name, I will change for medium, or just MD. Yeah, label, it's good. No, let's change for MD. Okay, so MD and color template, color title, and let's define it here. Styles dot login title. Okay, font size, I think 20 it's good. No, 25 maybe it's okay. And a margin top for 14, 15. Okay, no, 13 I think it's better. Okay, good, it's good. Oh, I forget, I have to change this title. Okay, good. Now let's create the form. So I will create a view, and style I will create Khaled.form container, and let's create here form container. Okay, good. And for this container we have a input container, and we have a label and an input with a placeholder. Okay, so let's make it. Let's create a input container, and good. And let's create here view stylus dot input container. Okay, in input container we will have a label, and we will have a text input. Okay, and the placeholder my button my button on PC, it's not working well, so let's copy this placeholder and put it here, and let's copy and password, and let's define your password. And for password we have to have the secret text entry. Okay, let me see. Good. Now let's style it. First, for form container I think we can create a margin top maybe 13. Yeah, maybe 13.5. Okay, let's first create the input container. For input container we have a 100%, and we have a gap. I think it's okay. I don't know. For form container we have a gap to 10%. Then I think let's create input first label, font family, fonts I think it's MD. Yeah, color it's primary, so colors.primary, and font size I will create 20. I think let's see if it's good. Label, let's copy and let's paste here. This label it's so big, maybe 16. Okay, I think it's good for now. Okay, let's continue. input container 100, okay, and input I think 102 of, okay, border width 1, it's okay, 0.5, it's better, and border color 10.colors.title. So I don't redefine it. Let's make it better. First, let's define the style on put.input. The same here. Okay. For form container, you have to define either 100% and we can define a padding here, padding horizontal, and maybe 14, it's better. Yeah, it's better 14. So let's see this color. It's all black, but I will define here border color. Okay, so let's use border color theme.colors.border color. Okay, now let's define the input padding. I think 10 is good, maybe 13 or maybe 12, and border radius or the radius maybe 10. I don't remember the radius, it's 10. Okay, good. That's real good. I think 13 here. Yeah, it's more equal for our design. Okay, good. Okay. Sorry guys, my screen recorder it's broken. I don't know why, but let's continue. Okay, we are here. I think you can make this input better, I think. And let's define font size, maybe 20. No, 16. It's good. 16, it's good. And now you just have to create the login button. So let's go to do it. First we will create the touchable opacity on React Native, and I will have a text right login. Okay, so let's create the style here button. The button we have 100%. I have a padding 15, I think, and I will align items center and justify content center, and while we have background color like theme.colors.primary. After we will create a component, a button component, reusable. Let me see how to pronounce it.
Reusable.
Okay. In some time we will create a button component. Should be reusable, but for now let's create button here. So style start.button, and okay, it's okay. We have to create a border radius 10, and let's create a button text. Font family, let's remember the font MD. So fonts.md, and color will be white. Okay, font size, I think it could be 16, but let's see if work. Styles.button text, and okay, it's good. Now let's add a margin top, maybe 10, maybe 20. Okay, and let's define more gap, more big here. Okay, I think it's good for now. I wanted this button more big, so let's define maybe no. Okay, it's good, and let's define the font size more big. No, for me it's good, and the input I think can be, I don't like it. Let's reduce the button. Okay, maybe 18. Okay, I think for now it's good. Okay, so in the next video we will finish this screen, and we will create a screen, and we will continue building this app. Okay, so thank you for you enjoying with me in this app and in this journal. And you, if you are not a Brazilian guy, please turn on the captions now, because I will speak in Portuguese, ok? Galera, você que assistiu esse vídeo e é brasileiro, obrigado por ter assistido. Como eu falei, o meu propósito é construir o máximo desse aplicativo em vídeo junto com vocês. Eu estou construindo o layout, eu estou construindo tudo, e eu quero construir o máximo junto com vocês. Eu não quero chegar com algo já pronto, sabe? Eu quero ir construindo aqui junto com vocês, para vocês pegarem comigo como é construir um app do zero, e esse app ele vai ser utilizável, tá? Ele vai poder ser lançado nas lojas de aplicativo. A gente vai usar features reais para usuários reais, e a gente vai testar com usuários reais e vamos ver como fica. Então, obrigado. Se você tiver alguma dica do que usar de design, enfim, quiser ajudar nisso aí, manda uma mensagem lá no meu LinkedIn, ele vai estar na descrição desse vídeo, ou deixa um comentário nesse vídeo. Enfim, fico disponível. Esse é o primeiro vídeo, desculpa pelo meu inglês se ele não estiver bom, mas a gente vai aprendendo junto, beleza? Valeu, é isso.